then? Woman, man.
Or you could just buy a bottle opener.
Like there's so many, you just use the top of the car or something.
Literally.
The window, man?
Oh, you're an idiot, dude.
Life hack.
That's definitely not a hack of any kind.
Wait,
I told you to get both.
wait, is she on? Oh, she's learning how to do this.
Well, she's trying to like,
Oh my god!
Almost
I
ski,
thought she had like a leg injury, and they
No,
thought,
no.
why don't you go and rollerblade?
no, she just has 2 rollerblades on and she was trying to push herself.
Oh my god!
Abigail, did you know that there's a trick to the sun visor in the car?
No.
So, you pull this down, okay? And this is really disgusting. But see this little arrow, the arrows? Pull yours down. Okay, pull it out. Now, if the sun's bothering you over here, you can't do nothing about it, right? You wish it would pull out?
Oh my god.
I know! Look at that! I didn't know that. I'm gonna be 35 years old. I never knew this.
What the heck?
All vehicles do this, Abigail. Right?
Wow.
Okay, I have so many questions. First of all, how dumb do you have to be to not know it does that?
I was gonna say, is this news? Like I thought she could be like, look, you can turn it to the side too. It's
Yeah, I thought she was gonna turn it to the side. I was like, if the sun's
like, I
coming
thought she was
from
gonna do
this
something
way.
like really cool with it, and
Yeah.
then I was like, is she getting excited that you could pull out the, you could pull this out?
Oh god, Abigail, you need to find better friends that have more knowledge than that.
Like, I think it's her mom. Didn't
Get a new mom.
Yeah, I don't know.
Welcome back to Top 10 Central, you guys. I'm one of your hosts for this one, Eamon Hassan.
What's up, guys? I'm your other host, Jared Bronstein. Make sure you guys click right up here. No, it's probably right around.
Right there.
I think this is the sweet spot, maybe around here. So click somewhere around here, guys. I'm doing my best, you guys can see. And we got some playlists for you, so check them out. Just click here. I put in all that work, so.
And stick around till the end for the bloopers because there's going to be a lot. Bloop, bloop.
For now, let's get into this one. Yeah, all right, here we go.
Wait, I'm scratching my eye. It needs to be itched. Okay, I'm good. I'm good.
Get your straighteners, and it's meant to just get rid of all the pen when we go down.
It's gonna catch on fire, isn't it?
It's not working! Am I doing something wrong? All the pen and all the paper and my straighteners. Try it once more.
Wouldn't it catch on fire?
No, it depends how hot she's
That's
set it
definitely
to.
not working. So TikTok, that is a big fail for me.
Okay, firstly, even if the what? A straightener heat can't erase pen off paper.
I think the idea is melting. It would melt.
Why don't you just throw the paper away?
I got an even better idea. Why don't you get some white out?
Yeah. Oh, did you call it whiteout? Did you ever call it Tipex? Tipex?
Definitely not.
Oh my god, is that a dead chicken?
Yes. Yes, it is.
Oh, they're gonna cook it. This is not gonna go well.
I feel like it's gonna be burnt, yeah.
Okay, that was crap. I'm sorry.
Fail!
Fail! It's a no from me.
Trying and see if this will work. We don't think it will. Really?
Did you just hear Landon's laugh?
Yeah. Oh.
Trying to draw a tattoo on?
This will definitely not work.
No, he just, you know the water tattoos?
Yeah. So they put pen on
Yeah.
and they're trying to put water, have the water go through, yeah?
Is it gonna work?
I don't think so.
Go ahead. No.
Because it would have to seep through all the paper
Yeah.
and then into your skin, not into your skin, but the other ones are like, it's like almost like a sticker. You peel it
Yeah,
off.
and it's like covered by a little something.
Yeah,
and
it's
then
like
you-
adhesive. You peel it
Yeah.
off and then you.
Oh, I love those.
Those were sick, bro.
And I always loved it if like there was like a promotion going on when we were little and it come like I once bought, I can't speak English, but I once bought this
tell.
bubble gum and there was like one of those tattoos inside
Oh,
and I was
yeah,
like,
sick.
oh, put it in my neck.
No, yeah, you get it with gum, you get it with candy.
Yeah.
Sometimes you get it. Oh, there that goes. Sometimes you get it with cereal. You fun.
Yeah.
Fun
Oh
times.
yeah. I
Fun
love
times,
those.
Fun times.
You can solve any Rubik's Cube starting in any position using just 2 moves, and you're just going to repeat these moves over and over again.
What?
You're going to turn the left side counterclockwise, and then you're going to turn the top clockwise, so it looks like this.
Okay.
And you're just going to keep on repeating this sequence over and over again.
Okay.
And eventually the cube will start to sort of solve itself. You just keep going.
I don't think so.
Sometimes it takes a little longer than others.
This is not true.
I am curious if...
I don't know how to solve them. I get close. I get close where it's like one left.
How the f did you
Pretty
just...
simple.
The other guy's on the left is like struggling. He's like, wait, this is not.
I didn't know if the guy on the left... Okay, I didn't know who is the one talking, you know what I mean?
No, the guy on the right was talking, the guy on the left was failing.
I see. I want to try that. I might go get a Rubik's Cube and try
Oh, it's so annoying because it's always the one on the corner that just is not the same color as everything else, and you're just change. This doesn't work.
It's just disgusting.
Whoa, dude! He's saying, I'm just gonna use simple Colgate to see how if it works. Let's try and fade it. I've spread it very nicely, as you can see.
This is great. This is great.
Now we're gonna wash it with some kind of cloth. There's nothing different, can you see? I wish there was even a slight bit of difference, but there isn't.
What would have happened if you weren't here?
We would have just laughed at nothing.
Probably.
Guys, kudos to me. Can we just thank me
Well,
for
what
my
was that?
translation
What was
skills?
that?
He was speaking Hindi.
Definitely not. I like this song though. It's like it's a vibe.
Well, that's not gonna. No sh. Why would you think a spoon would stop it from overflowing?
Unrelated, but I will say, putting your finger under your nose prevents you from sneezing.
What do you mean under your nose like this?
Like you go, you won't sneeze.
Really? There's
your
also-
body just stop. Like, it just will not let you do it.
There's another trick that if you feel a sneeze coming on, you put your tongue to the roof of your mouth and just push. That's helped me.
Does it work?
Yeah.
Did you know if you have a heat stain on wood, all you need to do is add some mayo,
Oh, you put it in your hair too, right?
In your hair?
Yeah.
Apparently, I don't know. I've never tried.
spread it
That's
around,
what Ed does.
and leave it for several hours.
Okay.
After waiting several hours, go ahead and wipe it off.
And nothing's changed.
Oh!
And next time, use a coaster because that didn't work so well.
Mayo doesn't have any properties that will get rid of the stain.
No, just great taste.
Yeah. Oh, I love mayo. You like mayo? No, you don't.
I'm white, bro.
You like mayo?
Of course.
No, a lot of people don't. I think Joss hates mayo.
White people like mayo.
Okay.
Hey guys, life hack. Oreos and a fork.
No.
Just dip them in your milk,
That's gonna drop for sure,
and then
bro.
you can just let them sit there. Just
No!
like that. See the edge on the fork? Just sit. And then you can pull it up. Like that, and then eat it.
I've never actually had Oreos with milk before.
Are you out of your mind?
I've had cookies and milk.
You've never had...
No.
I'm literally, when this video ends, I'm going to the corner store to buy you some milk and some Oreos. That is greatest. I think Josh tried this. This is all bull.
Really?
Yeah. I'm pretty sure Josh tried it because people were doing that like they saw like bugs coming out. And I was like, that's disgusting.
Like, where do you get your strawberries from? I don't even like strawberries, so I would never do
Strawberries
this.
are so good.
I really wanted to like them because everyone's like, oh, dip it in Nutella, have it
they're-
with whipped cream. I just can't. I don't like it in
all
any
great
form.
options.
I like strawberry milk though, and strawberry yogurt as well.
Really?
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah, that doesn't work. It's because he's got
probably
water
not
all
gonna
over his
work.
desk. He's got water all over the place.
Oh
man.
no. I saw that on Twitter before and I was like, does this work? Why would this work?
I've seen my fair share of these like hacks, and
Yeah.
I've questioned it. I don't think I've ever done any of them.
No.
There was one that I actually saw, lifting the toilet bowl when you pee. That actually did work.
It's so annoying. What is that? Beef? Oh, it's makeup. What was that?
Beef?
I literally thought it was beef. I'm sorry guys, my eyesight's not great.
I think that was salmon, wasn't
Can you
it?
just say that again? I just need to know what that is.
At the very beginning, it said what
Yeah.
it was. I just started right here. Milani? Or maybe that is makeup.
No, it is makeup.
I thought it was like a canned,
Oh no, yeah, I thought it was a can. No, basically when your makeup cracks, you can just put a little bit of like palm oil in it or whatever, and then it basically becomes smooth again. And it's meant to work perfectly fine, but clearly there's no pigment in that because you put the brush on it and there was nothing on the brush. Oh, I really wanted to try this.
Yeah, that does it.
That was my biggest fear of trying this as well. Oh, that's how you do it.
That one worked. So what's the point of this, for egg whites?
Yeah, to separate them. Because the easiest way, well not the easiest way, how chefs do it, they do it in the shell, right? So they go bloop, 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 and they keep doing it until the yolk is left. But this is meant to be the easiest hack to do it, but clearly it's not that easy.
Oh, I didn't know that. See, I find what you could also do is just go to the grocery store and buy a carton of egg whites.
I know, but some people like the yolk. Actually, the yolk is my least favorite part of the egg.
So I'm the opposite, it's my most favorite part.
But it's so, I will eat it, but it's just not like, it's not necessary. Oh God. So they were trying to make
like latte art.
Yeah. No, but how would you even do that? The whole thing is covered. There's no heart cut out. Maybe if there's a heart cut out.
No, I think that's what, I think they put a heart cut out and then it just went through and it just went across the whole thing. That's the whole point.
You're an idiot, I'm sorry. Well, I'm feeling a bit throw-uppy right now.
Well, we're gonna end this video on that note then, guys. I've been your host, Jared Bronstein.
I've been your other host, Evan Hassan.
And we'll see you guys soon. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, don't throw up near me.
Yeah.
Wait, that makes me look really tall. Yeah, see, like, this is what it's like to be Che.
Yeah. No, when I stand
Jack,
on
I
this
was
block, then I
saying.
become Che's height. Don't look at her ass.
I was just gonna say, let's look at myself.
Relax.
I'm looking at her hand, bro.
Get your windows tinted. It's 2020. That way you don't have to work with the sun.
Oh, I get it. Just buy glasses.
Duh.
Cheaper. You look cool too.
No.
It's white out.
Okay.
It's the you put to get penned
Okay, dude, you're so cool. Why don't you vibe with me, bro?
out. My muscles are just too big right now.
Okay, sorry. Do you realize I don't have an inside voice? Use me, I'm a weapon.
Little shoulder shake.
Little shoulder pops for the broskies. I'm just that bilingual.
That was some serious translation.
Thank you.
I'm good at translating farts.
Bye.
Okay, don't throw up near me.
Oh!
I got good balance, bro.